Public adjusters, contractors, attorneys, and anyone in the insurance restoration industry, you are not alone. Advocates United is what the event is called, and we are uniting. We are coming together because we are stronger together. But this time our event is like no other. Now, we usually have the meetups that occur at Dave & Buster's, and we do a 3-hour sort of happy hour event from 6 to 9 p.m., but that's not what this is going to be. This is going to be all about education, all about value. We're bringing the brightest minds in the industry, from roofing to public adjusting to attorneys, in one room to speak to you, to educate you, to provide you with all kinds of value, so that you have to you're going to be taking notes because the amount of things that you're going to be learning at this event. This event's going to be held on October 28th at the Hyatt Regional in Coral Gables in the Hall of Ambassadors. How cool is that? And it's going to be from 2 to 7 p.m. That's right. 5-hour event of some of the best speakers and some of the best educators in our industry are coming down to Miami just for you. Why Miami? Because Miami is my hometown. This is where I'm born and raised. This is where I lived for 35 years of my life, and I want to bring it to you, Miami. I want to bring it down to my home place in Coral Gables, where you can go and you can learn some of the most amazing things. I promise you, you're going to get so much value out of this one. Now, there is a catch. There is a price this time, but it's because of the value that we're providing, and some of the things that we're going to provide you at the event are going to be worth 10 times what the price of the event is. So for $47, you could come to our event and you could really enjoy some of the most amazing speakers and some of the most amazing sponsors that I have personally handpicked to make sure they are providing amazing value as well. But if you want the VIP pass, if you want to take it to the next level, for $97, we're going to hold a VIP party after the event so you could really get one-on-one time with all of us, with all the experts, all the speakers, all the sponsors, and everybody else. It's going to be across the street from Coral Gables, from the Hyatt, where we're going to all get together for some food, for some drinks, for some networking, so that we can take all of our games to the next level. Because like I always say, we are stronger together. So I cannot wait to see you on October 28th at the Hyatt Regional from 2 to 7 p.m. Please come out, click the link below, RSVP, get your ticket now, and let's have an amazing time in Miami. See you then.